Is this recipe hella poppin'? He's a big hit in the party animal kingdom. Kitty likes to party all the time, party all the time, party all the time.
Ba 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 ba, Leo cooks things, I cook things.
Welcome back. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make popcorn chicken. Fun fact, there's actually no popcorn in popcorn chicken. Did you know that?
Release me from this prison.
Popcorn chicken starts now. Let's get to it. Step 1, rise and brine. We're going to start with about 1.5 cups of buttermilk. And don't worry, if you don't have any buttermilk, it's actually super easy to make. All you gotta do is get yourself some... Why didn't you charge the batteries? You had one job.
Now no one's gonna know how to make buttermilk.
Buy some buttermilk, I guess. 1.5 cups of buttermilk. Now add a tablespoon of your favorite hot sauce. Just kidding. Add a tablespoon of my favorite hot sauce. Heartbeat hot sauce. Ow, what was that? 1 tablespoon for you. Ha! Woo! Woohoo! I like you. Now mix it all together. Now get yourself some chicken breasts. Why is that censored? These two are best friends. Focus. Put the chicken in the brine. Put this in the fridge overnight. Or for 5,000 years. And see what happens. Put it in the fridge. Stop being weird. While we wait on that chicken, let's make some homemade ranch sauce. And don't worry, if your guests are vegan, you can always just make them homemade branch sauce. We're gonna start with 1/2 cup of sour cream here. And if you don't have sour cream, feel free to use Sour Patch Kids instead. Sour Patch Kids in. I'm kidding, don't use Sour Patch Kids, jeez. Oh no, why is this plugged in? I'm kidding, don't do that. About 1/2 cup of sour cream goes in. Gonna do about 2 tablespoons of mayo. 1. Why did the other condiments stop hanging out with the mayonnaise? Because he wouldn't stop telling offensive yolks. Mayonnaise is made out of egg yolks. Yeah. Note to self, add the more you know title in post-production. Yeah. I'm gonna do about 1 tablespoon of chopped chives. Tablespoon of chopped dill also goes in. And if you don't have this herb, don't even bother trying to make ranch sauce. It's a dill breaker. About 1/4 cup of parsley. You don't want a full cup, you just want to fill it up parsley. Hi. Yeah, the juice of 1/2 lemon, yes! 3 cloves of vampire poison. Also gonna use a splash of buttermilk and a little bit of KO sauce from Heartbeat Hot Sauce, because it's delicious! Just a little squirt, just to say hi. Transfer it to a squeeze bottle. Now put this in the fridge for later. And here's the chicken. Hi, chicken. Now cut your chicken into bite-sized cubes. Dredging station starts now. Boop, boop, boop.
Eggs.
A little bit of hot sauce in the eggs just to say hi. Give them a nice whisk. Boop, 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 boop. 2 cups of all-purpose flour, a teaspoon of Cajun seasoning, and a pinch of salt. Pinch of garlic powder as well. Pinches! Give it a good mixage.
The doctor is in.
Start with a little bit of flour on the thing, then we go in the egg, then back in the flour. 1, fried chicken's messy, don't pretend it's not. I'm like that thing from Pan's Labyrinth. Let's deep fry some chicken. You want them to be all 165. Oh boy. A little spicy ranch on top. Green onion garnish as well. Super tiny pinch of Cajun on top. Popcorn chicken with a spicy ranch sauce. You're welcome. And now I eat you. Oh boy. Oh yeah. Woo! Spicy. Oh my god. No, good stuff. Come on. I do what I want. Oh boy. Bye friends.